So the very largest of carnivorous land mammals, lions, tigers and bears, are about as big as they can get under today's conditions. Yet by marine standards, they're actually pretty small. If a land carnivore gets too big, it costs them too much energy to hunt. It costs more to feed on these larger prey, like deer for a tiger, antelope for a leopard, or zebra for a lion. But being massive means that you have no small prey options. Those meals are too small to be worthwhile. So massive land mammals must hunt the big prey that require huge amounts of energy to locate, catch and take down. There's nowhere else to go, and then they're kind of stuck. But that all changes for carnivorous animals that live in the sea. They don't play by the same set of rules that land mammals do. In the sea, enormous mammals feed on much smaller prey. Okay, so these large carnivores need to take large prey to repay the costs of hunting. But if you take large prey, you need to break it up into small enough bits to eat it. So they have superb teeth for butchering. So see here the cheek teeth of the lion. These are called carnassials. As they pass one another, they are superb slicing surfaces to shear off flesh. But to do this, the lion needs to hold its prey in its front paws to position the prey between its carnassials. But because the forelimbs of whales are now stiff and flippers, they can't hold their prey. If you can't hold what you're eating, it makes it difficult to pull apart large prey. So marine carnivores tend to eat small prey because they can swallow them whole. So let's compare the teeth of the lion with a marine carnivore like the dolphin. So this dolphin, like many toothed whales, has a mouthful of peg-like teeth. This is similar to the teeth of marine reptiles like crocodiles and alligators. So these peg-like teeth are ideal for capturing quick-moving fish. So where land carnivores have to take large prey and cut it up, marine carnivores don't. In fact, many marine carnivores have lost teeth, like this beaked whale, which has only the one set of teeth which they don't even use to feed, or beaked whale that has teeth only on their lower jaw. Instead, they use suction to draw prey into their mouth. As always, there's exceptions. Sharks have serrated teeth, perfect for slicing prey. And when they feed on large prey like whales, they roll to pull out chunks of flesh. And killer whales are another exception. They work together to pull apart their prey. But mostly marine carnivores feed on small prey. And the sea teems with masses of small prey. And as some small fish and crustaceans tend to school together for protection, this behaviour makes it ideal for marine predators to find huge sources of food. In fact, it's ironic that because small prey like krill swarm together, that the world's largest animals, the blue whale, has gotten so big while feeding on such tiny prey. For example, on land, the largest mammal that can feed on small prey, on insects, is this giant anteater. So compared with the enormous blue whale, they're tiny. But these guys, compared to other land mammals that feed on small prey like insects, like this mole, or our echidna, or the hedgehog, giant anteaters are huge. The anteater has special adaptations to survive on insects. These huge claws tear open termite nests, and their tube-like rostrum, with its small opening, means they can lick up insects really quickly into their mouth. So by comparison, carnivorous mammals in the sea, like the baleen whales, use baleen plates to feed on small prey. So this broom-like material hangs down in sheets from the roof of the whale's mouth, and it's here that the small prey are trapped. So where on land most large animals are herbivorous, it's a complete opposite in the sea, where most large animals are carnivorous, but they eat tiny prey.